Mavic 2 Series Tutorial: How to use the Mavic 2's Hyperlapse mode. When you're framing the shot, don't position the Mavic 2 too close to the foreground, or your hyperlapse may have some shaking. Mavic 2 comes with 4 brand new hyperlapse modes: Free Hyperlapse, Waypoint Hyperlapse, Course Lock Hyperlapse, and Circle Hyperlapse. Each mode represents a different lens trajectory to satisfy your creative requirements in a variety of scenarios. After framing your composition, tap the Intelligent Flight Mode icon on left of the flight interface and tap Hyperlapse. Free Hyperlapse. Tap Free Hyperlapse. Set the photo interval and the video length, and then the aircraft will automatically calculate the required shooting time. Tap Go to start shooting. In Free Hyperlapse, you can still control the aircraft's attitude and tilt angle. Circle Hyperlapse. Circle Hyperlapse makes the drone circle around your subject while it shoots the hyperlapse. After choosing the mode, set the photo interval, video length, and direction of the circle. Then select your target. Tap Go. The aircraft will automatically calculate and plan the flight route and start shooting. You can see the calculated center and the flight path on the map. Course Lock Hyperlapse. In Course Lock Hyperlapse, the aircraft will fly in the direction its nose is currently facing. After locking the orientation, regardless of the way the Mavic 2's nose is facing, the aircraft will fly straight in the set direction and follow the subject while shooting. After choosing Course Lock Hyperlapse, tap to adjust the photo interval and the video length. Then set the flight direction and choose your target. Tap Go to start recording the hyperlapse video. What's more, you can fly in a straight line to shoot hyperlapse video. After adjusting the flight direction, you don't need to choose a subject. Just tap Go to shoot the perfect course lock hyperlapse video. You can see the flight distance marked with a red line on the map to ensure a safe flight. Waypoint Hyperlapse. When using Waypoint Hyperlapse, the aircraft can automatically fly and shoot as the preset route to create a more dynamic hyperlapse. While in the hyperlapse interface, select Waypoint Hyperlapse and then set the photo interval and the video length. Tap Next and then fly the drone to your designated position. You can also change the gimbal's tilt angle to add different shooting scenes. Tap Go to start shooting the hyperlapse. After finishing shooting, Mavic 2 will automatically composite the hyperlapse video for you. You can check the video. You can also edit and share your hyperlapse video with DJI Go 4. Now you know how to use the Mavic 2's amazing 4 hyperlapse modes. Thank you for watching.